Good day and welcome to the Weather Center. We have two cold fronts which are passing by our shores, but they are not going to directly impact our weather this Sunday. However, we are still going to see light rain over the southwest coastline and the south coast. It's going to be dry along the east coast of the Eastern Cape and the adjacent interior. But as we go towards KwaZulu-Natal, a cloudy, wet and cool day is forecast for this province. The wet weather is set to spill into southern Mpumalanga towards the evening hours. It's going to be partly cloudy over the northeastern provinces, including over the northwest, but mostly sunny skies are forecast as we go towards the western interior. Up to a 40% chance of light rain is forecast along the southwest coastline and part of the south coast, as well as the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. A 60% chance of rain between Durban and Richards Bay. It's going to be cool to cold this afternoon across the central and western parts of the country. Look at Sutherland managing a high of just 4 degrees, 8 in DR, the same for Springbok. The mother city is going to be a touch warmer compared to what we saw on Saturday, peaking at around 14 degrees. Similar temperatures for Port Elizabeth as well as Bishop. Durban and Richards Bay peak at 18, warmer over the northeast. Joburg 20, 22 in Pretoria, and a high of 23 is forecast for Polokwane. Here's a look at coastal conditions for your Sunday. If you are looking for great beach conditions, you could find them around Namakwaland and Alexander Bay. But further south of the west coast, we are expecting light rain to keep beach conditions unfavorable around Lambert's Bay and Langaban. Cloudy and wet weather is also going to keep beach conditions unfavorable along the southwest coastline, where a northwesterly breeze is forecast throughout your Sunday. Fresh to strong southwesterlies are forecast along much of the south coast, and swell heights here will average around 3.5 meters. Wet weather will also keep beach conditions unfavorable. Lastly, along the east coast, we are also expecting wet weather to keep beach conditions uninviting, especially around Durban and Richards Bay. But better beach conditions are forecast for the Wild Coast and East London, where it's going to be partly cloudy and dry. That's all for the weather for now. Have a good one.
Know more. eNCA.com